Hello students, our topic is representation of FA. FA can be represented in two ways. The first one is a transition diagram and second one is a transition table. So in which two ways we can represent the FA. We will see first one, transition diagram, how this will look. So I have taken one example here. There are three states are there, A, B, C. This is C, not visible, A, B, C. There are three states are there. Now see, understand here, if I take sigma as a alphabet E 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1 is there. How many states are there if I take Q? The Q are A comma B comma C, yes or no? And Q naught, what is the Q naught? Initial state is A. What is F? F is final state, yes or no? F is nothing but C. F is nothing but C. So a transition function that we know, right? Delta dash that you know, so that is just generally Q into sigma, that is going to be Q state only. Like you can see the transition function, like A on 1 it is going to be B, correct or not? And A on 0 it is going to be A only. This is a transition function, we can understand transition path. So FA can be seen like a transition diagram. Diagram nothing but states will be there, initial state and final state, and there is a transition path will be there in between the state with each and every input symbol. You can understand this is FA or DFA. You understand at each state there are two transitions are there. See, at A on 1, A on 0. Similarly, B on 0, B on 0 it is going to C, and B on 1 it is going to A. So input alphabet 0 comma 1 is there, right? So you must represent a transition path for 0 and 1 at each and every state. That is what complete system, DFA is complete system, we understand. So the same FA can be represented in transition table also, that you can observe. Second one, look all of you, transition table. So here a transition diagram given and equivalent transition diagram, this is a transition table delta. You understand, simple. See, transition state 1, this is initial state, on 1 on A, where it is going, see 1 on A it is going to 2, see 2. 1 on B, where it is going, again 2 only. So now see that 2 on A, where it is going, 2 only. 2 on B it is going to 3 state number 3. 3 on A it is going to be 2. 3 on B it is going to 1. So now 3 is what, final state. So final state you have to make a circle. For instance you will make a, so this is arrow. So the second way of representation of a FA will be transition. This was transition table form, you understand. Diagram table. For a diagram we have equivalent table. So you can understand FA can be represented either in terms of table form or transition diagram. But in our session, so always I am trying to take in terms of transition diagram only, that is familiar. It is easy to represent, like this easily we can understand. No, even transition table also easy, but most of the time we are representing in terms of transition diagram only. So in our session future classes, most of the time I am taking transition diagram only. For each transition diagram equivalently we can have a transition table. If you have a transition table, we can convert, we can represent into transition diagram also. That is possible. All of you are getting my point. So here also see what is there, input symbol what, A comma B, yes or no? And number of states, how many are there, 1 comma 2 comma 3, yes or no? Then Q naught, initial state is there what, 1, and final state, what is the final state here, 3. So transition function also there. So as I mentioned, F is a 5 tuples are there. So that you would understand all of you. Please note down this clearly. Thank you.